Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into download mode. Now for this you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer strictly to boot it into the recovery mode. So let's plug it in right away. So it's charging right now. So from here you will want to power off the device, and immediately after powering it off you want to hold power key and volume down. Now I'll mention it is better to hold the keys too early rather than too late, just to save a little bit on time. So I'm gonna actually demonstrate what will happen if you don't hold it quick enough. It's not really like breaking anything, it's just a little bit more tedious and time consuming. So let's power off our device, and basically once you feel the vibration on the device you want to hold power key and volume up. But if for some reason you don't, it will then show you charging progress any moment now. There we go. At which point if you hold those keys, from what I remember, it will not boot into recovery mode because it needs to go through this entire animation. So now that it's grayed out, dimmed out, you can now hold those keys and it should boot us into recovery mode. So like I said, it doesn't really break anything, but it just consumes more time, which personally I don't like wasting my time, so I would prefer to hold it too early and boot into that recovery mode quicker. Anyway, once you're in the recovery mode, you want to use volume keys to navigate down to reboot to bootloader. Now I understand that this is called bootloader, but trust me, Samsung doesn't have a bootloader accessible. So this is actually download mode, because it's not like recovery mode comes with another mode called download mode that I could add in here. That's sarcasm for everybody. Anyway, once it's selected, press power key, and we won't get to bootloader, we will get to download mode, and there we go. So that is how you could access the download mode. And to leave this mode, you can see a message right here. Hold volume down and power key for more than 7 seconds. Now it says side key. It's not like volume keys aren't on the side, but I'm just gonna refer to this always as a power key. So anyway, power and volume down. And I would recommend actually unplugging it before or right after the screen turns off, just because if you don't, the phone won't actually turn on as it does right now. It will then show you again the charging animation, which prevents the phone from turning on. So I recommend unplugging it as quick as you can, or unplugging it before you hold those keys. And this will then boot you back into your Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.